In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog on Squarespace. Starting a blog on Squarespace is a seamless journey, perfect for anyone looking to share their voice on the internet. Whether you're a beginner or you've been around the block a few times, Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes the process enjoyable and straightforward. To kick things off, head over to Squarespace. Once there, you'll find the login button, click on it. Here, Squarespace offers you the convenience of logging in with various methods, but for simplicity and speed, let's proceed with continue with Google. Choose your Google account to move forward. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to dive into the specifics of your website. Navigate to your website by selecting it from your Squarespace dashboard, or by visiting the direct link provided. Next, let's start the process of actually creating the blog. Look for the Pages section of your Squarespace dashboard. This area is essentially the backbone of your website, where you can add, remove, or edit the pages of your site. There you'll find a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new pages to your site. Click on it. Among the various types of pages you can add, you'll select blog. Now you are at the exciting part, adding content to your blog. Squarespace provides a rich text editor that allows you to craft your posts with ease, embedding images, videos, and links to make your content engaging and interactive. Remember, the heart of a captivating blog lies in creating content that resonates with your audience. It's essential to make your blog relevant enough for your website or intent. This is your chance to express your thoughts, share knowledge, or showcase your products and services. So make it count. Once your masterpiece is ready and you've given it a once over for any edits, it's time to hit save. And just like that, you've successfully created a blog post on Squarespace. Creating a blog on Squarespace is not just about putting words on a web page. It's about creating an experience for your visitors, a platform for your stories, and a voice for your brand. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to making your mark on the digital world. Remember, consistency is key in blogging, so keep the content coming and your readers engaged. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. Happy blogging, and see you in the next video.